Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today I'm going to make BISCOFF ice cream. The weather has started warming up here in Texas, so I hope you guys will enjoy it and give it a try. A medium bowl. I'm going to add sweetened condensed milk, to add a tablespoon of vanilla extract and half cup of BISCOFF cookie spread, and I've gone ahead to microwave it for about 10 seconds just for it to be liquidy a little bit. So I'm going to add this into my So I'm going to mix these two together until it is well mixed. Just making sure everything mixed together and there are no lumps. So this is the condensed milk, BISCOFF spread, and vanilla extract. So I'm going to set this aside and bring over a mixing bowl. So in our mixer, I'm going to add 2 cups of very cold whipping cream, or heavy cream, or double cream. And for this I'm going to use the whisk attachment. So I'm going to let this whisk until stiff peaks. How it looks like. So this has been going for about 3 minutes, and as you can see, it's very soft. It's just dripping down. So this is a soft peak, but we want a stiff one, so we'll let it go a little bit further, and I'll come back and show you guys. So our icing has been going for about 5 minutes, and as you can see, it's really stiff. Whipped cream is ready, and this is our condensed milk and BISCOFF mixture. So I'm going to add about 1 cup of whipped cream into our condensed milk mixture and just stir them together. I think I like what I see. So now I'm going ahead to add all this into our whipped cream. So now we just added our whipped cream and condensed milk mixture together, and we're just going to stir them, and just to make sure we don't take all the air out. That's why we did the first part and mixed it separately and later added it to the whole thing. So I just want to get a uniform color, but if you want marble effect, then you can go ahead and use it as it looks like, but I want a uniform color. So as you can see, the ice cream is already thickened. Our ice cream is already, it's really thick, and I like it. So what I'm going to do is just to pour it into, I've gone ahead to chill this pan a little bit, and just going ahead to pour my ice cream mixture into it. Freeze this for about 2 hours, and after 2 hours we're going to add some of the Biscoff cookies into it to give it some crunch. So I'll see you later. So ice cream has been going for almost 2 hours, and as you can see, it's very thick and almost scoopable. So now we're going to add a little bit of our broken cookies into the mixture. Gonna add some few pieces on top. And I'm going to freeze this for about 3 hours or more, ready to serve. So our ice cream has been frozen, and here is our final product. I'm going to try it and scoop it and see how it looks like. Oh my goodness, this is amazing. So if you want, you can drizzle a little bit of the cookie spread, melted one on it, and there you have it, guys. That's our ice cream. Oh my goodness, it tastes like it just came from the ice cream shop, and it's delicious. I hope you guys will give it a try and let me know what you think. Thanks for watching.